Oh my God, I feel bad for these people.
Imagine a city that never sleeps, suddenly forced to stop breathing. From Sunday night through Monday, February 23, 2026, a monster called a nor'easter slammed into New York and much of neighboring New Jersey, United States. Not just a storm. This was a bomb cyclone that brought heavy snowfall. At Montauk Point, winds reached up to 135 kilometers per hour, the equivalent of a Category 1 hurricane, according to the National Weather Service.
There's some guy on a bicycle. That's crazy. It's peaceful. It's quiet. It looks bright out.
The concrete and asphalt streets across the NYC metropolitan area are buried under significant drifts of snow. Times Square, usually bright and bustling, is now completely white. Meanwhile, Central Park is blanketed with up to 19.7 inches of snow. Across the 5 boroughs, from Staten Island, the Bronx, Manhattan, Brooklyn, and Queens, experienced snow depths reaching 2 feet.
Oh, look at this motherfucker here. Look at this bitch.
Mayor Zohran Mamdani declared a state of emergency and imposed a travel ban for all non-emergency vehicles. As a result, millions of people across New York City and the surrounding area chose to stay home. The ferocious winter storm turned highways and trees into frozen sculptures. More than 10,000 scheduled flights at JFK, LaGuardia, and Newark were canceled. Transportation chaos spread widely.
Okay, so here we go. Good morning. 15.1 inch of snow on the ground, and it is coming down furious. Stay home.
Amid the blizzard, with visibility dropping to 0, a full whiteout. Many drivers gave up and abandoned their vehicles on the roadside. Tragically, when snowplows tried to clear the roads, those cars were buried under heaps of ice. New York is now filled with ice monuments, hundreds of cars covered in snow, and some vanished as if waiting for spring to be found again.